have so much fun. And I miss my dad so much. And naiyok ako.
Bakit natin kailangan tandaan ang
Daddy,
para hindi tayo
I miss you, Daddy.
at pag-delay ng Bakit kami delay? Kasi kala nila nandun sa bus malayo yung pinag-parkingan. Pupunta pa kayo doon. Tapos babalik-balik lang po kayo.
And we are in Avalon Zoo. And the entrance is there. Ito ay funny part na.
Gagan.
And I see
Gagan.
mga goat animal, but it's actually a man. Mga dressed up
Morgan,
with my
Morgan.
friends and family. We are laughing
Dito
with my friends.
Morgan.
Grabe yun talaga. At
Morgan.
may giraffe, at iba pa, may zebra, at may pusa, at iba pa. At we have so much fun din pala talaga. At nagulat ako at nagrabe. At we are just waiting. We are going to the alligator. We are gonna see the alligator.
No, it's a real
Look,
one.
see? May tulog alligator pa din. At may another alligator na tulog pa din pa. Marami. At I see the, at ibang part, at I see the big crocodile later. Look. See that? Hindi kita. Look, see? The big alligator talaga. At tapos that, me, I see the alligator's face kanina, but that part, I don't know what animal is that pala, you know? And baka ostrich yun, or iba pa. At see, I don't know what is that. I'm giraffe feeding 100 pesos. Well, at me and ate are sharing. I'm shaking because the giraffe, because ang tangi niya because. At we are feeding na. Gusto ko pa, but bawal na. But you see that? Watch it first. Ganda, diba? And I don't know what animal is that.
Sunday.
It's sun bear. But why ganyan ang mukha talaga? Grabe. At do you know that? Funny yun, but look like grabe yun. Buntik na tawa ko. You see that? It look like a gorilla.
Hi.
At watching, and my mom say hi. And
Tired na.
napagod ako in that part. I have so many walks na. 3, 5, 4, 6, 700. Because so many walks ako talaga. Sa Star City, sa Circle. In that part, I picture a snake. Watch that. Look.
Napaka-brave naman.
See? Maganda talaga. Dapat hindi matakot, but
Yes.
my teacher, natakot. And we go to the bird, and at the bird, natakot ako. Watch this out. The bird go to my head, but it's super ouchy. So just do this. Look. Natusok ako. At I'm playing my friend's room. We are in that place. Nasa circle, and I look like in the mayor's place. Patik yun talaga po.